Wahl. This is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have another hair remover from your nose, from your ear. I've been trying many of them to show you guys my experience with this type of product. Previously I've unboxed one Braun hair remover and also Remington, couple of different model of Remington hair remover from your nose and ear. So let's see this one. This is another Remington. In this pack we have, guys, here we go, we have a tag, very lovely packaging of Amazon. Let me take this out, this machine, this device. Here we go, lovely. You can see this is another Remington, more premium version, in this case Remington T series. This is Remington T series. You can see here detailed kit. I think this is one of the best price, could be 34 euros, and sometimes you can get some in promo as well. You see complete detailed kit for precise styling with ease, guys, here. So you can wash, 100% washable, precise, exactly on target, perfect precise, because I need something precise. Titanium coated blades. It also resharp itself, the sharpness. See more information written. Beard shaping and trimming, nose and ear trimming, fine detailing. So you have many type of tool in this pack. You see this tool, and we'll see exactly more other thing. Beautiful pack in this case. Okay, so I can open from the top. Here we go. Let me take this off. Okay, good packaging, I guess. So first thing, here we have, let me open one by one. So we have a pack, a paper wrap pack. No more plastic these days we have in Europe. Let's see. This is a battery from Remington. They have their own battery because it's 100-year-old company, so they produce everything. So lovely. This goes this side. At the middle, some manual sort of thing here, I guess. Take this off. From here, this one wrapped. I think this is the machine. We'll go this one to later, and we'll see here more what we have. And if I can take this off all together, you can take this out, all this together as this. So here at the middle, I see something is between wrapped here. Very interesting. I don't know how to open this one, but we have something between. Okay, here we go. Maybe this way, I don't know. Wow, something as this. So we have all the tools at the middle hidden. Lovely. So we'll go to them one by one. See, first here, small pack wrapped in a paper. This is one kit. You can see here, the best part of Remington, you can adjust the length. 53142 centimeter, if I'm not wrong. These are, or millimeter. These are millimeter, I guess. Okay, so this is one kit done. What more? We can see here, this is another kit. Lovely. Wow. Then another head, I guess, another kit. Take this off. This is for your nose. So it's a total kit. You can use all of them. This is for your nose. Very slim one. Plastic here. Let's see. Lovely. Not bad. And you have a bag. Lovely thinking of this. You can carry, not something very fancy, but handy to have. Close this way. You can carry with you wherever you want. When you are traveling, the manual, a bad way. They fold this one. This thing I don't like folding this way, but whatever, not bad. So big literature. If you have time, you can read all this. Oh no. So I put this thing one side, and we'll go to our machine. Let's see. Yeah, the main kit, the main tool. This one, wow, it has a premium glimpse to it. Lovely. It is premium. It's heavy. I feel heavy because the machine should be heavy. You see Remington is right hand. The power button to on and off is here. This is, you see, the line 1 is on and the 0 is off, and battery goes down to here for some grip. The bottom, more information is right and very detailed, you can see here. And this head is lovely. It's platinum head. You can see more detail if I put close, golden line. Very premium product. This is one of the most premium product so far. Premium nose or hair cutter, better than Philips. I have unboxed Philips one. Philips is also premium, but this I feel high quality. So this head you can change. If you move this way, see here, golden plastic inside, but here no plastic. Some of them they have plastic here. They are very cheap looking. So this one is not plastic. I tied this one, and the battery should be from down. This way you take this out. They send you a battery, but I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use my rechargeable battery. This is in loop from Panasonic. The really good high quality battery, and this way put inside the battery and you close. Here we go. Now we close this way. You see, when you match this line here, it will start the machine. This is only one problem. You should have some button here at the middle, but this one has at bottom. I don't like a lot this button at the bottom. It's not that comfortable, to be honest, to manage at the down. The button here, that is more comfortable. So you see here, very strong blade. I feel powerful at my hand. It vibrates a lot. Lovely in this case. You can see here how the head is. I will cut some here to show you. So I off this one. Perfect. This is the main head I bought this product for. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.